Hi guys, in this video I'm going to explain you how to use the dynamic name driver and also what's the main goal of this driver. I'm going to create quickly a project. Just going to rename this one. I'm going to add my processor. I'm going to add a controller. I want to create a virtual panel so I can basically explain how my driver works. Okay, keep it this format, that's fine. I'm going to add the driver now. So I'm going to add dynamic names to it, and I'm going to add to the base. So now I'm going to close. I have everything. I have my processor, I have my panel, and I have my dynamic name driver. Okay, so on the home page for my virtual panel, I'm just going to do a page wizard, so it's quite fast for me to add something. So I'm going to add a lighting page. Okay, so I'm going to close. Just going to use the one page. That will be enough. So fine. So here we say we have 4 zones. So what about if you want to label? We need to label and we need to go one by one always, and we need to say kitchen or dining, etc. So we need to go one by one changing. What about once we load the project, we need to go back again and sadly this is not the kitchen and this is the backyard light. So we need to come back here and we need to just label it back again for the backyard. Okay, so how to prevent this? This is why I created this driver that helps quite a lot. So the properties of the driver, I have a number of categories. Sorry, this is an old version of the driver, just going to update it as I decided to put this driver for free. So then we have a number of categories here. We can choose up to 5, okay, and then in each category you can have a maximum of 50 names, right? So as at the moment we only have one page for lighting. I'm going just to select one category here and I'm going to select 4 names. So here we have name 1, 2, 3, 4. This will correspond on the variables we will select through each text inside the screens. So let's start. I'm going to label this, let's say backyard. We're going to call it front yard, pathway, and the garage. So fine. We're going to go back to a home page. We have it here. So we're just going to edit the text and we're going to add a variable name here. I know that's going to be the backyard, so it's going to show the same level what we had here before. We're going to edit this one. We're going to add it to a second name. In this case, it's the front yard, so it's fine. Zone 3, we edit the text. Also going to add a variable. That's going to be the pathway. Now we're going to go to the zone 4 and select the garage. So right, these are all light. These are a group of lights we have. One light is called backyard, and one front yard, pathway, and garage. So right, I'm going to load the project here. So right, I'm going just to send it to my processor. And I'm going to send the virtual panel. There we go. We just need to wait until it connects. So there we have the names that we put in the settings of driver. Right, once we were using, we noticed that the first one, that was in the backyard, so it was a different name. Same for the front yard, the pathway and the garage. It seems these lights are not the correct ones, so we need to change the labels for them. Fine, we go to programming back again. So yes, main. That wasn't the backyard, that was the dining. It wasn't broad, the front yard, that was the kitchen. Pathway, no, that was the hallway. Garage, no, that was the front yard. Okay, I haven't loaded anything yet. Going back to my virtual panel, just checking the names. Fine, I'm going to load the project now. A project was loaded, so let's go back to the virtual panel and see what happened. Wow, names changed. Guys, this is the function, how the functionality of this driver. The main goal is to help you to label names. So in this case, you can add 50 lighting names in this group, but you can have up to 5 groups with 50 names per group. That's quite a lot. So it will be really handy for programming. So thank you for your time. Thank you for watching this video, and any questions, just send me an email, or you have my contact details on Facebook, or ask for my email if you need it, and I'm happy to help you. So thanks. This is Morris from driversdigital.com. Thank you.